So I can't put that in the video.
Yeah, that's why I said it.
Alright, we're gonna try and fix my gasket leak today on my turbo manifold. Which one I gotta confirm if the gasket's even messed up. The bolt just kind of walked out and it was leaking from that point. So I'm gonna assume it is bad. Alright, you shut it off. Huh?
Your brakes don't work.
No, they're disconnected.
I know, but see, think about it. I'm really short. Your brakes don't work. I can barely keep my fucking left foot on the clutch, and I can't clutch out. And
That's what everybody says. They're like, bro, your brakes don't work. I'm like, no, you just have to push it really hard. Because I disconnected the booster.
I'm fucking short.
Shorty.
Like, I can't
Shorty.
fucking reach there. There you go.
Alright, I finally got the turbo and manifold off. Basically, this one bolt was the one that came out. And the gasket is good. So, I mean, that's a plus, but I brought extras just in case. So, since I pulled it off, while I was here, I know a couple of you know my car caught on fire one time. And it messed up my heat wrap. So, I'm going to go ahead and pull it apart, tighten up a couple things, because you see my oil drains looking a little funny and a little wet. So, I'm going to tighten that up, and then I'm going to tighten up my manifold while I'm here. Actually, girlfriend's going to tighten up my manifold while we're here.
No, I'm gonna wrap your manifold.
Yeah, that's
Not
tightening.
tightening anything.
That's tightening it up. Oh, okay. All right, so I think that's gonna be it for tonight. Yeah, tomorrow we'll do power steering lines, wrap the manifold, and start putting it all back together, and then it should be good for now. I'm out. Wheel studs. I need wheel studs.
There were lines.
I really don't feel like cracking the power steering, but I'm good. I need to tighten up my old video too. Let me see this real quick. Oh, fuck. So, this is my eBay special, actually, Twisted Motion Turbo. It looks really good on the inside. Looks really good on the backside. It's actually holding up really well. I'm happy with that. It was like $300 or $350 for the turbo or something like that. So, I'm pretty happy. It's been holding up to the horsepower and the heat and all that. And I haven't ran water, so I'm pretty excited about that. Also, this is the CX Racing Manifold thick wall. And it looks like it's holding up pretty good so far. Once I pull it apart tomorrow, I'll know for sure. Day 2, let's go. All girlfriend does is TikTok all day.
Oh, it is TikTok.
Y'all pray for me. I'm letting girlfriend drive the truck again.
Shut the fuck up.
With the trailer. Pray for me, y'all. I don't know why I be doing this, man. Hey, set up for corporate. Set up for corporate one time.
Welcome to Advanced Auto Parts, sir. How can I help you?
Oh, I always get great service when I come in here. It's so good. What's up? I'm coming. I gotta put that in the vlogs. Yes, my love. Hey, look, we made it safe. Girlfriend didn't kill us with the trailer.
Shut up.
Right here. What's this one? $60, bro?
It's black though. That shit's kind of hard.
Why is this one cheaper?
This one's titanium and this one's not.
I need all your money, bitch. Bro, why are you so expensive, man? This is why projects never get done.
I don't decide the prices.
$60. It's cute. Bruh. I know my dog ain't blow up the Q60, bro. Please tell me you ain't blow it up, dog. All right, so while I'm here, I just kind of like examined it as well. It pretty much withheld the fire and basically like 500 horse, 500 foot-pounds of torque beating on it. Everything looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. It's holding up really good. I've had it for a couple years and it's like I think it was like $400 and I'm happy with it. So if anybody wants to run a CX Racing, it holds. All right, so I double checked my drain. My bolt was loose. This one just has an O-ring. I'm gonna put it back together with Ultra Gray because I'm an Ultra Gray kind of guy. So it's pretty good. I'm just going through and checking everything right now because I haven't really done it in a long time. I gotta like zoom in. Yeah, you can see right there where the O-ring actually cracked. That's crazy. Damn, shop closed? Shop, oh fuck, there's music. How's your wrap job, babe?
Huh?
How's the wrap job?
It's good. I mean, for a first time.
This girlfriend first time rapping. And it don't look that bad. It's very hard to wrap this manifold. It's got a lot of tight spots, so yeah, it wasn't easy for me the first time wrapping this manifold either. But she wanted to do it and she's a trooper, so she did work. Now
We spent like the whole day doing that, and we still got a lot of shit to accomplish today.
I've been fucking off. All right, so I'm about to start putting this back together. My dog definitely blew up the Q60, bro. I'm definitely gonna keep that motor if it's not under warranty. Twin turbo V6, you heard me? All right, I got the motor cleaned up finally. Cleaned my gaskets, everything looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting it together. I didn't go crazy with the wrap, or I didn't have girlfriend go crazy with the wrap because a lot of times trying to get the nut on with this in the way is not fun. And I also got to start with the bottom on putting the nuts on because it's very tight on the bottom. So it's all together. Let me start bolting up, start setting my turbo, and should be good to go in a little bit. All right, girlfriend's swapping out my power steering lines right now. I think I mentioned it. My diff was making noise. This one bolt was loose in the back and I tightened it. I've had this bolt walk loose too and I tightened it. What else? My FDF was loose. I tightened up. This one was loose. I tightened it up and then I double checked these because this one was loose over here. So I tightened this one up, double checked these, checked some of these, and I went over my nuts because my nuts like to get loose. And I got the bottom half of the manifold on, so now I'm about to start tightening up the top end. All right, so I have another issue with my vehicle where just because I guess it gets hot or whatever, my wastegate bolts like to walk loose no matter how many times I tighten them. So this time I'm gonna put Loctite. I just pull it off. I'm gonna just put the blue Loctite on and see how it works. Hey guys, I got my car done. I'm gonna start it up here in a second. I gotta wrap this later. I just gotta make sure I got enough. We're down to the end, but it's all back together. I got this nice new line on here for my drain. So let's start it up and see what she does. Yeah. You ain't even gonna hear much in the video because of the fan, but it's all done. All right, I got the bolt in. Guess it's all good. It sounds really good. I think we got a winner, guys. So I did the nut and bolt check, which worked out pretty good because I had to tighten my diff. I had to tighten my GK Tech shifter. My FDF lip walked loose. just a bunch of stuff over the heat and the vibration, the turbo, everything. Just kind of walked loose over time. So I'm pretty happy I took it all apart and redid it, and it sounded good. So next, I really need to work on getting my front end tightened up, and after that, I'll probably be back to ripping up the hatch again.
Are you serious? That's probably why.
Ready?
Yep. Thanks. Now I can't hear even worse than I could before. You're fucking welcome. Go.
When you trust your girlfriend with your $1 million race car, okay, maybe it's like 30,000, but whatever. I have so much invested.
I think I'm a good driver.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. She using TikTok to tell her how to drive with a trailer.
I'm trying to verify my fucking address. Okay, leave me alone. I'm making money right here.
Yeah, girlfriend making money on TikTok to be my sugar mama. I can't be mad. Damn, the sun looks crazy.